So it's, you will have a lot of design on the floor. So it was designed by a French artist, and it represents women.
Just French woman.
Yeah. Yeah. And on the wall you will see this. It's the Kiss by Man Ray. So it's a French photographer. And you will have a lot of this in the hallway and also in the room on the at bed. So we're gonna go this way. I'm gonna show you a deluxe room and a deluxe suite.
This way?
You will also find a lot of butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah, because it's a lucky animal in Asia, and they guide you through the hotel. So you'll find a lot in front of your hotel, in front of your room, all over the hotel.
So butterfly.
Yes. So we're gonna stop here for the deluxe room.
So 515.
Yes.
515 deluxe room.
Yes.
Very modern.
Yes. We are modern palace. So we have big rooms because this is our entry-level rooms, and it's around 40 square meters. You will always have a bathtub and a shower, and toilets are separated from the bathroom.
Just a second. So two like this. So garden view.
Garden view. And we do have some suite with the Eiffel Tower views, so it's possible. And so the whole building is ours. It's managed and owned by Mandarin Oriental. And yeah, so this one is king bed, which we do have twin bed option.
Yeah, all's fine. Так, so minibar.
Yes.
This one.
So you will have. After we can add everything. If you need something special for your guests, it's possible. It's just the wine.
Okay.
And it's gonna be on the other side.
Super.
We work with Frédéric Malle for the bathroom and amenities. So it's a French perfumer, and he also created our smell again. Particular smell in the hotel. Our home fragrance.